All right, today we are adding and subtracting algebra things, and this will involve like terms. But before we get to that, there is some other reminders here at the top of the page, or one other reminder. The reminder that 4x means 4 times by x. Okay, we know that. If we have 1 times by x, though, we don't write the 1, we just write it as an x. And we need to know that there is a 1 in front of it. That's important because when we're adding things together, like now here's this cake, that's a 1 cake. All right, now like terms are things that have the exact same pronumeral. What does the word pronumeral mean? We used it yesterday. What is the pronumeral referring to? Yeah. So the like terms are things that have the exact same letters. So there's some examples here. 5x and 7x, they are like terms because they both have an x. They both have the same letter. Also, 3ab and minus 8ab. It's not about the number part, it's about the letter. A and the B, so they are like terms. They have to be exactly the same. This can't have one having the same coming next to one. It has to be the exact same letter for the B or terms. Now, when you multiply A times B or B times A, the order of them doesn't really matter. We're multiplying the same two B's. Both of them, A, B, and B, A, they both have the same letter. They're just in different order. So they will also be like terms. Okay, different order doesn't mean that they're not the same. They are like terms. The pronumeral parts of the term are generally written in alphabetical order though. So we prefer to write XY rather than YZ. Like terms can be added or subtracted by adding or subtracting the coefficients. So there is a couple of examples here. If I want to add 6x plus 3x, the first thing we do is look at these two things we're trying to add, and we go, yeah, coefficients. So because they're like terms, all you need to do is add the numbers in front. There you go, 6 of those plus another 3 of those means 9 x's. And here's another one, 8ab minus ab. There's no number in here. There's no number. It's going to be a 1. So 8 take away 1, which makes it 7ab. All right, we are going to, that's all we're doing today, lots and lots of that. Okay, so here we're going to do a bunch of examples, like 10 of them. Okay, question 1. Not minus 4p, good. So the first thing we do is check that they both have the same letters, which they do. And then we do 2 take away 6, which is a negative 4p. Okay, question 2. There's 3 terms here. Do they all have the same letters? This one has an A and these ones have an X. No. Okay, so that one, they're different. Are these two the same? Yeah, they're normal numbers. Okay, so sometimes it's good to just, if you have a highlighter, highlight the ones that are the same because they're the ones that are going to go together. And we just leave the other ones sitting separately. So the K sits here all by itself. And I'm going to work these ones out. Minus 9 plus 2. What does that equal? You can use your calculator, you've got 7. Almost. Minus 7. Got to get those minus signs. Minus 7. Don't try to put those together. If you put them together, unfortunately, you have to mark it wrong. You have to keep only the like ones together, and if they're different, they stay separate. Riley? No, because minus 7 would be the times in 7. If you did the k at the end, you would do minus 7 first, like that, and then you'd have to go plus k. So if you put the plus in there, it's all right. It's the same thing. but don't put this minus 7 next to the k because then you're timesing them. All right, question 3. 6b minus 5b. Are they like terms? They are like terms, and 6 take away 5 is a 1b. But do I want to write that 1? Think back to the start when we had the x. 1 times x is equal to just x. So a 1b, it is more simplified just to leave that 1 off and we just call it b. I'd probably take off half a mark because the questions will say to simplify, which means it should be as simplified as possible. Okay. Question 4, 8x plus 6x. Yeah, good. So 8 plus 6 is 14, and they're x's. Question 5, n minus 8 plus n. Are they all like terms? There's 3, no. So which ones are the same? All right, so I'm going to highlight again, or if you guys don't have a highlight, you just circle the ones that are the same. But when you circle them, always take the symbol in front of the ones you're circling as well, because that tells you that it adds true. So these n's, I'm doing n plus another n. What's that going to mean? A 2n. Yes, because they're both 1s, remember? So 1n plus another 1n makes 2n. And the one that I ignored, this 8, it needs to be that minus 1. So there would be a minus 8 that I put next to that. If you did switch the order, it would be minus 8 plus 2n. That's the same thing. Question 6. Which ones are like terms? Okay, so take the minus signs in front of them, so that one and that one. Okay, so because the 1 was first, I'm going to write it down first. It's different. I want to start with the 1. And then I'm going to highlight the ones together. So what is minus 8 minus 7 more? 50 minus 50. Good. You can use your calculators to type those if you need to. It won't do the R, but it can do them. Question 7. Are they both like terms? Yes. So what is minus 2n plus 5n? Minus 2 plus 5. Positive 3. N. Question 8. Are they all like terms? No. So which ones are? The 5m and the m. So the m's go together. So because I'm starting with m, let's do our m's first. What is 1m? 1 plus 5 makes 6. Good. 6m and minus 3. Good. Question 9. Are they all like terms? No. Which ones are? 8 and the positive 2. Okay, so starting with the 8, and the 8 and the 2. What is 8 plus 2? 10. And what goes next? Something else? The minus 3x. Good. You always need to know what the symbol is to put in there. Last one, and we've gone up to 4 terms. So which ones go together? Yes, I'm going to take the minus with that. So R and minus 4 are, and I have colours, so I can do this. The minus 9 will go with the plus 1. So we've got 2 different pairs happening here. Okay, the yellow happens first and then the yellow. So 1 R minus 4. Positive 3 or negative 3? Good, negative 3. Minus 3R. Now do the green ones. Minus sign? Yeah. Minus 9 plus 1. Minus, oh, I thought you had it. Minus 8, good, right. Minus 8. What do you think? We can do this? Yes? All right, so there's 2 pages, only 2. Pages 7 and 8.